So this video's topic is optical rotation. This topic you was learned into the 11th 12th science, the polarimeter. So in this, many substances have the property to rotate the plane of polarized light, and this called the optical activity. Now optical rotation is the angle at which the plane of polarized light rotate when passed through the liquid layer. The optical active substance described as dextrorotatory or levorotatory depending on the plane of polarization is rotated clockwise or anti-clockwise. So the optically active substance, the optically active drug or any particle or any sample describe either it is levorotatory or it is dextrorotatory. It is based on the rotation of plane of polarization clockwise or anti-clockwise. So very first dextrorotatory or right-handed, so the substance which rotate plane of polarization of light toward the right side at the clockwise direction, so it is known as a dextrorotatory and it is designated by the plus sign. Now levorotatory or left-handed, so the substance which rotate the plane of polarized light anti-clockwise direction, so they are known as levorotatory and they are designated by minus sign. Now international pharmacopoeia, optical rotation alpha is expressed in angular degrees and the SI unit of this rotation angle is expressed in radians. Measurement of optical rotation. So polarimetry instrument is used for this measurement. Instrument having various parts. First is the polarized light source. It is the sodium vapor lamp is used. Second is polarizer. Third one is analyzer. Fourth is sample tube and fifth is detector. So this is the simple polarimeter structure. When the light source pass the light, so the ray of light is multidirectional. જે લાઇટનું બીમ હોય છે એ જુદી જુદી દિશાઓમાં સ્પ્રેડ થાય છે, બટ વેન ઇટ ઇઝ પાસ ફ્રોમ ધ પોલરાઇઝર, ધ one directional unidirectional ray is passed from that polarizer. Now when that unidirectional ray pass from the sample tube, if the sample which are placed into the sample tube is optically active, so they rotate the analyzer, and due to that rotation the detector measure either it is levorotatory or dextrorotatory. So when the procedure, when the light pass through the polarizer, light direct into the one plane and leave the polarizer. Now this plane polarized light pass from the tube which contain the sample, which contain the drug. Now that if the substance is inactive to the optical rotation, so they do not rotate the plane of polarization, and due to that angle, it means alpha is 0 degree. But if the compound is optically active, so the plane of light would rotate either it is clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise depending on the nature of compound. The clockwise direction, the rotation is defined as positive and called the dextrorotatory, while in contrast if it is anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, so they have the negative defined and it is called as a levorotatory. Now application of this. So first is identification and determination of optically active compound. By this we can identify the compound is optically active or not. Second is, these are used in the sugar industries. The polarimeter is used in sugar industries to determine the quality of juice from the sugar cane. It means shady. So it is used to check the quality of juice from the sugar cane and refined sucrose. Third is chemical industry. So these are used to find out the specific rotation of chemicals, and by this we can differentiate the chemicals. Next usage is food, beverage and pharmaceutical industries. So in these industries, the polarimeter is used to find out the concentration and purity measurement of the sample, like steroid, diuretic, antibiotic, vitamins, etc. Polarimeter is used in the remote sensing application. So this is all about the polarimeter and optical rotation.